Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to track changes in Excel. So if you have an Excel sheet which is shared by others, using this feature will let you know who has made what changes so that you can accept or reject the changes accordingly. Before you can start tracking changes, you need to go to this option. Under the review tab you'll find the track changes option. Just go there, say highlight changes. So you get this highlight changes screen. So click on the checkbox which says track changes while editing. So you leave the settings as default. Here where means you can specify which area of the Excel you want to track, who is everyone and when is since what time. We'll leave it as default. Say OK. This action will now save the workbook. Do you want to continue? I'll say yes. Okay, so now it is ready to track changes. So let's say I come here and I put one more 0. So the moment you make change, you can see small mark in the top left. It indicates that the cell has changed. When you hover over the cell, you see that the cell has changed and who has changed it. I'll change one more. So again you see that small mark on the left side of the cell. When you hover over the cell, you see the description that the cell has changed. Now all these changes that you made, you can ask Excel to put it in another separate sheet. So let's see how you do that. You go to track changes, highlight the changes. Now here, right now after you made the changes, you will find this option. Earlier it was not there. Now click list changes on a new sheet. Say OK. Only changes on the history sheet. So once I made the changes, I need to save it. So I'll say Ctrl S. I'll highlight the changes. I don't know why I keep on getting this. So now it has put the history sheet. Now whatever changes you made, it has put it in a separate sheet called history. I made 2 changes. You can see the 2 changes here. Now it has listed the changes, but it gives you the option to accept or reject the changes. So I'll click again here on track changes. I'll say accept or reject the changes. So it says select changes to accept or reject. I'll just choose the default option and say OK. Now it shows you this screen, shows you these options: accept, reject, accept all, reject all, and close. So you can accept or reject the changes one at a time, or you can accept them all or reject them all together. So the first one is we'll change the salary of one of the cells. So if I say reject, the number will go back to the original number. So I'll say reject. So the 1 0 that I put extra goes. The other change that I done was active to resign. So again, if I reject this, the resign will become active. So it's come back to the original value. So you can also accept the changes and finalize your worksheet. So this is how you track changes in Excel and accept and reject the changes. Hope that was useful. Thanks for watching the video.